Okay, welcome to usearchme.com. This is a video on how publishers add their website to usearchme.com. It's slightly different to adding a website to AdSense, so I thought I would do this video to make it a lot easier. So, this is the home page. Go to the sign up. You have to fill in all the details. I won't do this now, I've already created a test account that I can use to show you how to do this. But you just register your details. You'll be asked to confirm your email address, and then I will review your account and I will validate it, and then you should be able to log in. Once you're logged in, you're presented with this screen. This is just a test account that I've set up. You can see that you get all your stats on here, impressions. If you need to contact me, you can send an email to the administrator there. So let's just add a site. So we go to advertising and we go to create site. So you put the domain in. This is just a test domain I've got. Don't put the HTTP or it won't work. Fill in the details. Get the web image. Now there are some categories here. I've just set up some basic categories. If your category isn't there, go back to the dashboard, send me an email and tell me what the category is that you want. I will add them. I refrained from adding lots of categories because I didn't want a big list of categories with no websites in them. As it happens, I've got one set up for online communities and chat here, so I'll stick the website in there. You don't need to worry about this site targeting. That's something that you can worry about later. You can set your minimum bids on here. Also, you can set your layout up on here, which is quite handy because we're going to be using this layout. So we'll select that. That's similar to the web. If you can just pick the one that's best suited to your site, it doesn't have to be exact. It's just a guideline, and then we save that. So the site is created. You see it's listed on here and it's pending, so what we'll do is I'll pause the video, I'll validate that, and then we'll come back. So I validated that account just to make sure that everything was going alright, and you can see it's active now. So you've added the website to usearchme, so you need to add some channels now. Now channels are your ad spots on your page. So I've got this web page here. I'm going to use this spot here and I'm going to create a channel for that spot. So you just go to create a channel, give the channel a name, so give it as much information as you can, so that advertisers are going to be seeing this. So you want to give them an idea what they're getting. So it's a 300 by 250. So it's top right of the page, and it appears on every page. You've got some options here. We might as well choose them all. Text, image, but text images are just your normal text images, obviously just normal images. You can use flash on here, rich media, that could be anything. You can use videos, anything that you've got the code to, that you can link to, is fine. Select the size of the ad and then just create it, and that's it. Okay, so now we've added the ad spot, you need to specify the prices. So first, you can allow cost per click if you want. CPM ads are cost per impressions, so we need to set some impression prices for that. So we'll just set up a simple impression price. We'll put a reasonable bid in here. We'll create that. So is that So we've got a cost per click price, we set that at the start. We've got an impression price. You can set a flat rate price if you wish to do so. We'll just go back after we've done that. So now we've added the spot. The last thing you need to do is just make sure that you add the spot to the layout. So we go to the layout screen here. You can see that we've got our add spot here. So if we drag it onto the layout and just leave it there. So when an advertiser sees your site in the directory, it will see the position of where the ads are going to be. If you've got any inner page ads that need adding, so any pages that are different layout to the home page, just stick the ad in the footer. Just drag it and put it in the footer. Make sure you label it clearly that it's an inner page. That will be fine. As long as people know what they're getting, there's not going to be any problems. So we'll save that. So we've added it to the page now. So we just need to generate the code now. So if we come down to this section here, generate the code. And you can change the palette here if you want to do so, change the colours if you wish to do so. I don't really need to do any of this. I mean, you can do that if you want to do so. We'll just go back from there if it will let me. Typically. So and what we'll do is we'll add this code into the page. We'll save it. And we'll have a look at the page, see if it comes up. And there you go. I had the test advert on there. It's not very good layout at the moment, but that's only because I didn't fill the screen in properly. Normally it would, come out and fill the page, and as more advertisers come, it fills the rest of the box. But that's about it. You can do it you can add different channels and add spots, add different sites as well. But that's just the basics on how to do it and how to add a site to useHME.com. I hope that makes it a little bit clearer. So thanks for your time.